and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this super simple look with a bit of eyeshadow and eyeliner to achieve this basic pirate makeup look and also my costume. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start to look like a pirate. So I've already done my base. If you're interested in seeing how I did that, I will leave a card, if that's what it's called, and you can see my base makeup routine, how I get a flawless base. So what you're going to see me do is my lips. So I'm going to do like a dark red kind of tone for my lips, and my eyeshadow is just going to be black. It's going to be a really basic, simple tutorial. So I'm just going to dip into my Mario palette into that black shade you can see, and I'm just going to literally put that all over my eyelid. Maybe not all over, most of it, because I'm going to put some, I've actually just realised what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the black in the crease and on the outer edge, and then I'm going to go in with a bit of gold in the middle. Guys, I have a McDonald's addiction right now. And to be honest, I haven't had McDonald's in ages, so I actually don't have an addiction. I just have had it for the past 2 days. Basically, I'm trying to be healthier and cleanse, and because I put that in my mind, I went completely wrong. And because of that, I've been craving McDonald's, and I haven't had McDonald's for like 2 months, so I don't know where that came from, besides the fact that I said, oh, time to cleanse, and then my body was like, no, let's take you 10 steps back. To be honest, if you're looking for a good black, I definitely suggest this. What's everyone doing for Halloween? I'm literally going to my cousin's Halloween party. Halloween's always a tricky one. It's kind of like New Year. Like, you feel like you have to kind of do something, but you're not sure. It's not as anticlimactic, but you know, you need to find something kind of to do, because you're not little anymore, so... Like, obviously when I was younger, when I used to go trick-or-treat with my friends, I'm pretty sure I went trick-or-treat until I was a bit too old for it. I think I was probably about 16. No judgment. Like, who doesn't like to trick-or-treat? But if you go trick-or-treating at 16, don't be disheartened. I loved it because it was like an excuse to go out with your friends past a certain time when you were at school. So when I was like 12, 13, like, you're out with your friends and it's like 8 o'clock at night and you're running around. I'm gonna go more gold because I'm a pirate. I'm greedy. I like gold, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Platinum Bronze, even though bronze is a bit cheap for a pirate, but that'll do. There's no gold in there. Look at that, guys. Look at that gold. Do I put eyeliner on? I literally can't function without it, so I think, yeah, even though I'm wearing black. Cutie. I'm gonna go in with, you know, everyone's trusted, sensational mascara. What's everyone's worst step of doing their makeup? Mine is for sure the mascara stage. I just don't like it. And I also hate taking it off. It has to be done, because if I don't put it on, like, even when I stick my lashes on, it doesn't look the same. My eyelashes look kind of cute and kind of long. Am I sensing jealousy? I've got these P. Louise lashes. Sometimes I think they're a bit too extra for like normal days, but this is cool. So I'm gonna do the Blink of Beauty. These lashes at the top here. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting the lash. So I don't like to, when I do my lash, I don't like it to go all the way in and all the way out. I don't like it to like coat my eye. I hate that. So I never cut from the inside, because usually the inside, the bit of the lash that goes inside your eye, it's usually a bit shorter and it's compensating for being closer to the center of your eye. So I cut from the outside in, because usually lashes go outwards. So if you cut outside in, it's still gonna go out, but not as much, obviously, because you're cutting bits off. But it will keep the lash looking more on the natural side. Not that it's natural, not that I want to look natural, but you know. I'm using Duo Glue. I only ever use Duo Glue. If I'm using something else, please message me and ask me, is everything okay? Because it probably isn't. You know, I'm probably going through it. Okay, so lashes done. Now, lips. So we're gonna go in with this crayon. No, my favorite chestnut lip liner. I'm going to be going in the Fenty colour in Underdog, and I'm going to do that around the outer part of my lips. Or should I just do my whole lip in this colour? I think I'm going to do my whole lip in this colour. So I'm just going to go all in with this. Okay, so I've got this shade from NYX. It's Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. So we're going to go with that. It's like a pinky gloss. Let's try that. So lips are done. All nice and glossy. Now I'm going to get changed into my pirate outfit and I'll be back. So I was halfway kind of getting ready and I realised that I'm not looking like scary enough, you know? I think I'm going to do like a scratch going up. If I can. Okay. I'm literally winging this. So I'm just going to do a scar going down. This is just using eyeshadow. Kind of like a Harry Potter scar. Okay, that looks kind of okay. So guys, I'm just using my P. Louise palette here, and I'm just using this this dark kind of reddy shade. I use that in my eyebrow pomade as well to make them red. And then I'm gonna do like a little cross on the side. Okay, I'm going to continue to get dressed and I'll be back to show you my full outfit as a pirate. But don't you just love this? I mean, it's not the sharpest, like with the cross and everything, but yeah, just did that with a bit of eyeshadow. Kind of like angled as well. I mean, it's not the straightest, but it's kind of angled. So this is the outfit. My leggings are from Opoly. My shoes, I think I bought them from Steve Madden. It was a long time ago. They're just cowboy boots. Corset is from Amazon along with the set, so the hat, the eye patch and the scarves, all from the same place. I don't have anyone with me, so I've got my hand kind of behind my back because I'm trying to cinch this corset in as much as I can, but yeah. And also, this is quite a good outfit because if you're kind of nervous, well, you don't have to go out like this. Put a jacket on and you still look like a pirate. So I've got this leather jacket. So it's just my leather jacket, see, and I still look like Captain Hook. And I'm pairing this, I've got red bags, but I'm pairing this with this silver bag because maybe it looks like a sword. I don't know. Like, it looks like a bit of jewellery. It looks like something a pirate might walk around with. Probably more gold, but I don't have a gold bag. So we're going to use this. So that is the overall look. It's super simple and pretty basic. But I hope you enjoyed and I hope it was a good video for you to watch. I'm Ruby, and if you're interested in content like this, please like and subscribe. I post makeup videos like this. I also post lifestyle videos on this channel and a bit of gossip as well. So if that's what you're into, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.